Yo, this is for educational purposes only. I do not take ownership of any music or apps besides that of my own. All rights reserved. With that being said, subscribe!
Hell girl. Hell girl. Hell girl.
Yo, it is White Blessing from Penguin Pierre, and I got a tutorial on how to sound like Lil Pump Molly. Let's get straight to in the video. Let's go. Penguin Pierre, Penguin Pierre, Penguin Pierre, Penguin Pierre. You find us subscribe. Hey, let's go. Hey, it's it.
Hell girl. Hell girl. Hell girl.
I got this out of my head to my toe. I'm on the side of my bitch on the coat. I got giving cheat all out of my coat. I'm on the S and I just bought a phone. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the P. 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 Lil Pump rich, you finally get richer. I'm up a beat, you fight on your sister. Not on the lip, and then you gon' kiss her. Ice on my neck, it look like glitter. I got this out of my head with my feet. I'm up an S, so you know I be geek. Walking my means and they all in my jeans. I'm on the zone and I pump me some lean. I send your mama some crack and she feed. I push a push and I just let her see. Dripping designer but bury my sweater. Lil Pump pull up, he be changing the weather. I pop a Molly, I pop a B. I fuck your bitch cause she down for the team. Jump in the car and I hit with a beat. I check a pee and I just go to sleep. I got this out of my head to my toe. I'm on the side and my bitch on the coat. I got giving cheat all out of my coat. I'm off the S and I just bought a phone. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the B. 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 Okay, so as you can hear, it's not perfect, but okay, enough of that. What I did here was I just like smacked some ad libs on this track so that you know you get that feel. They kind of late and stuff, so we're just gonna like move that just a little bit using the edit, and then we're gonna zoom in, and then we're just gonna. They like doing that. Okay, and also something else is my chorus or hook or whatever. Gotta move that as well. Okay, so what I did here, guys, is this is very simple, and I'm not even gonna make this tutorial actually long, so just gonna run through it. Lil Pump, we go here, take a screenshot of this because he has this effect on his voice, whereas it sounds like it's from like a low type of, I don't know how to put this, like a low type of equalization, and you know you don't hear his full depth in a song. You know what I'm trying to say. But also something else you need to focus on is the tone booster compressor. This is it, and tone booster reverb, which is this. There isn't much low reverb in Lil Pump. It's just there, just for control. I guess. Just take a screenshot of that. And the vocal tune, the key of the song was A major, so I used the key of the instrumental, which was A major, and I worked on the retune speed. And we all know that Lil Pump doesn't use, if any, auto tune in the song Molly. So I mean, just take a screenshot of that and make the stuff work. So let me show you how it sounds without any auto tune whatsoever. Just turn off the beat, and we're gonna turn off the beat by muting here and letting this play without any of these. And you see, woo! I got this out of my head to my toe. I'm on the side and my bitch on the coat. I got giving cheat all out of my coat. I'm off the S and I just bought a phone. I'm on the Molly. Wait up, I forgot one thing to turn off. It was my group 2. Yes, there's a bus over here. Let's go. You see, woo! I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on the Zen and my bitch on the coat. I got Givenchy all over my coat. I'm off the S and I just bought a four. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the P. 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 Lil Pump rich, you finally get richer. I pop a beat, then fat on your sister. Not on the lip, and then you go kiss her. Ice on my neck, it look like glitter. I got designer for head with my feet. I pop a S so you know I be geek. Fucking my means and they all in my jeans. I'm on the Zen and I pump me some leaves. I saw your mama some crack and she feed. I push a Porsche and I just let her see. Keeping this on but bury my sweater. Lil Pump pull up, he be changing the weather. I pop a Molly, I pop a bean. I fuck your bitch cause she down for the team. Jump in the car and I hit with a bead. I check a pit and I just go to Steve. I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on the Zen and my bitch on the coat. I got Givenchy all over my coat. I'm on the S and I just bought a four. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the P. 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 Okay, we had a bit of fun there. Okay, so let's get straight to it. So we're gonna load up. So as you heard how it sounds, first thing you're gonna need to do, you gotta normalize. You know how to normalize. You just hold. That's how you normalize, guys. Always 0.9. And then next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you what I did here with the ad libs, bro. So ad libs, screenshot that, same vocal tune, nothing much. Screenshot that, and then we're gonna go to the group 2. Group 2 is like this. We're gonna run through this, guy. We're gonna run through this. We're gonna run through this. I know it's not ran this run, but we're gonna run through this. Okay, group 2 is like this. Take a screenshot of this. 3, 2, 1, boom, and then we're gonna go to over to the delay. Delay is like this. Delay is like this. Delay is like this. Delay is this. There ain't much too. Plenty delay in that track. Whatever it is. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. The feedback is 8%. De-esser. Just put on the de-esser. You don't need to like do stuff. Tone booster equalizer. I'm gonna show you a cheat code to this month. I just went here and I clicked on the DC 8K hertz, whatever, and it was like this, and that's how it sounded. So yeah, that's how it is. Fun. Penguin Pierre. You find us subscribe, hey. Let's go, hey. It's it.
Hell girl.
I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on the Zen and my bitch on the coat. I got Givenchy all over my coat. I'm off the S and I just bought a four. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the P. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the P. I'm on the P. Lil Pump rich, you finally get richer. I pop a beat, then fat on your sister. Not on the lip, and then you go kiss her. Ice on my neck, it look like glitter. I got designer for head with my feet. I pop a S so you know I be geek. Walking my means and they all in my jeans. I'm on the Zen and I pump me some leaves. Okay, even better to jump on this. I'll start over here. Alright, let's go. And I don't do raffles. 8 a.m. and I'm craving waffles. Give me breakfast, don't give me assholes. I don't care much about roll up. So if it's black and white, color it with pastels. I guess I'm being